Hey, what's going on? Aaron Chen. I hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out Dotcom Secrets and you're wondering, is this a good book? Should you invest in it? I'm going to do a full book review of Russell Brunson's Dotcom Secrets, and then you can decide for yourself whether this is the right book for you in your current situation right now, all right? Now, this was Russell's first book. It was written in 2015. It's actually pretty old now, but the great thing about this book is it's still highly relevant even till today. So not that much has changed since the time of him writing this book and releasing it. This was kind of like a groundbreaking book, and if you don't have a copy, I would highly recommend getting it, and I'm just gonna kind of go through it with you a little bit so that you know what it's actually really gonna cover. Now, the whole basis of this book is basically teaching people that they need to bring their business onto the internet. So whatever business that you have, it doesn't really matter. It could be a brick and mortar business like a dentistry, a hair salon, or maybe a roofing tile business, or maybe you are a trainer, an expert, a product creator. Maybe you've got an idea in your head, you want to sell it online. Maybe you're an affiliate marketer. Maybe you're a network marketer. You're in an MLM company like Amway, or a Monavi or Melaleuca, and you want to recruit more people into your business. This book is basically going to teach you all about online marketing and what type of sales funnel you need in order to sell and bring your business online. That's essentially what the book is about, all right? So what we're going to do right now is I'm just going to go through a little bit about the contents, and we'll talk a little bit about it so that you can kind of figure out whether this is really for you. And this is basically the sales page for Dotcom Secrets Online. You've probably seen this page before, right? This is Russell Brunson going through the whole thing, and let's talk a little bit about the book right now. Okay, so first of all, he talks a little bit about value ladders. He basically explains what's the best way to sell products online and how to maximize your profit, right? Because the thing is if you have a product and you're selling it for $20, it's going to require you to make a ton of $20 sales before you hit any sort of big income goals. So if your income goal is $10,000 a month or $20,000 a month and you want to sell a $20 product, think about how many $20 products you have to sell, right? So 10,000 divided by 20 is 500. That's really, really tough. Okay, I hope you can see that. That's 500 sales that you have to make every single month. Now that's possible, but it's easier if you have something called the value ladder, where you offer someone an increasing price of product with an increasing amount of value as they come through your sales funnel and as they purchase products for you. It's one of the greatest ideas that you can take from this book, and when you increase what's called the lifetime customer value of each customer that buys with you, it's going to allow you to hit your big income goals while not requiring to have that many customers, if that makes sense, right? So if every single customer is worth $300 or $600 versus $20, you can basically hit big income goals and have less sales, need to make less sales every single month. And that's what the value ladder is all about, okay? So he teaches you that's really the biggest part about, section number 1, okay? Section number 2 is all about how do you communicate with people. So once people come through your sales process, how do you talk to them, right? How do you send them emails? And he gives you different types of emails that you can set up. Actually, you can see it on the page right now. He's actually going through it, right? And basically he talks about being the attractive character. He talks about the soap opera sequence, and he also talks about the daily Seinfeld sequence and how to really follow up with people. I've used some of these strategies inside of my marketing. Very, very effective, okay? In section 3, he talks about how do you really find the right funnel to build. He talks about funnel hacking, how to copy the competition or model the competition, I should say, right? And he talks about the 7 phases of a funnel, right? So that you can understand what are the different parts of a funnel to build. And then the final section, he talks all about all the different types of funnels that you can use, which is really, really cool, right? So he talks about, for example, the self-liquidating offer funnel. He talks about the continuity funnel. He talks about the perfect webinar funnel. He talks about the invisible funnel. He talks about the product launch funnel. So there's lots of different types of funnels that you can use depending on what type of product you want to sell and what stage of the process you are. Are you launching a product? Do you have something that's going to be around for a little while? Are you doing a recruitment style funnel for MLM? So it really depends on what you're doing. Are you an affiliate marketer, right? And he shows you how to structure each different funnel and how to build it out. And then once you've done that, if you want, Russell Brunson, I don't know if you know this, but Russell Brunson owns a very large funnel building company called ClickFunnels, all right? And ClickFunnels allows you to build out any of these funnels if you want online, okay? So it's a great book overall. I mean, if you're talking about understanding the language of internet marketing in general, and you want to learn how to make money online, this will basically teach you the overarching principle of how to market online. He also talks a little bit about traffic and where to get leads, what funnels to build, how to communicate with your people, how to bring them through a very specific process, and it's a great book for you to understand how to sell online in general, okay? So I would highly recommend it. If you would like to give me some credit and you want to get a copy of this book, you can click the first link below. That's my affiliate link, okay? And you're going to be able to get this actually for very cheap. You just have to pay for shipping and handling. So the book is pretty much free, okay? Which is really, really cool, right? So highly recommend Russell Brunson's first book, Dotcom Secrets, still extremely relevant in this day and age because most people are still not building their businesses online, all right? Now, I've got a cool surprise for you. If you're someone who is like, well, Aaron, I don't know what I'm doing. Maybe you don't have a business, right? Maybe you are not an MLMer. Maybe you have nothing right now and you still want to learn how to make money online, but you're really, really confused because the thing is that a book like this is great, but if you don't have any sort of business or product to sell, it can still be very, very confusing because yes, there is, this kind of teaches you, a very rounded way of marketing, but you still need really I would say a course or a video step-by-step in order to be successful, right? So if you're watching this video right now and you don't have anything to sell, you don't know what you're doing, or maybe in the past you've tried selling a lot of different things and you haven't been able to get into profit, maybe you would be interested in checking out the second link, right? I've got a free 6-figure workshop where I'm going to show you how I went from zero to a multiple 6-figure affiliate marketing business using Russell's strategies, okay? So I've got a very specific way of selling other people's products online. You can work 100% from home, and I actually also use Russell's product, ClickFunnels, in order to build my pages out, right? So if you would like to see how to do that, how you can start to generate, go from zero to your first sales, to your first $1,000 a month, your first $5,000, $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month, if you want to learn how to get there, the second link is going to show you exactly how I did that so that you can model it step by step if you want, completely up to you, all right? So, or if you want to do both, grab Dotcom Secrets and then jump onto my free workshop with the second link. That would be pretty cool too. I hope you enjoyed this review of Dotcom Secrets. Again, I would get a copy of this. It's got my stamp of approval, one of the best books in internet marketing out there, right? And I hope to see you in the workshop as well. Take care and all the best to you.